Hello everyone, this is Sashwit from Paraguay Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate how we can upgrade an obsolete version, that is 2009 version of Microsoft Dynamics Navision, to an upper version, that is Navision 2016 version. I will be demonstrating this upgrade into two parts. In this part I will be showing the upgrade of 2009 version to 2013 version. So here is the 2009 version that we have installed in our system. As everyone knows that Microsoft had shut down the operational support for Microsoft Dynamics Navision for the versions earlier than 2013 version, and it is highly recommended by Microsoft that the obsolete version should be upgraded to the latest version. So let's start by taking the backup and restore of the database. I have a database named Demo 2009 which is on 2009 version. So first of all I'll import the partner license in this database. Just quickly open the Demo 2009, that is the 2009 version. And import the partner license. The next is to take the backup of the database from here. Click backup and click OK by providing the file name here. When the backup is created, I'll restore the database backup into a new database. For that, I'll create a new database from Navision and restore the backup in this database with the name Demo 2009 backup. Now the backup is successfully created. Now next I will create the restore. So I'll create a new database named Demo 2009 backup. Click new. Click OK. After typing the password, if it is database authentication, type the database name here, that is the Demo 2009 R2 database. Now the 2009 R2 backup is created in Navision 2009. Now I'll restore the database backup, that is Demo 2009 into this 2009 R2 backup. This is only for taking the references in the later stage if required. So click on Tools, click Restore and locate the file where we have just backed up the data. Click OK and the system will start creating the restore now. Once the backup is restored in Navision 2009 R2, we now have the two databases. One will be converted to the 2013 database and one will be used for any object references if required at the later stage. First of all, we need to transform the forms into pages, as we know that 2013 version does not support the form objects and the Dataport objects, so these objects needs to be converted. So form will be converted in the page objects. For doing that, import the transformation objects in the Navision 2009 version by locating it in the transformation folder that comes with the media file of installation files of 2009 version. So let's quickly locate the 2009 installation files. Here is the folder and locate the transformation tool. First of all, import the upgrade tool that will help us in upgrading the data. Click OK. You can skip any tables if these tables are not required in the upgrade process. Quickly import all the objects that comes with this folder. Now our upgrade objects are imported. Next we'll import the transformation objects. In the TIF editor folder, that is a tif.fob file, so click OK to create these objects. Once these objects are created in the Navision 2009 version, now we are ready to transform the forms into pages. For transforming the forms into pages, we'll open the transformation form, that is here. Run this transformation form. First is to import the forms and pages transformation inputs. So import FTPT mapping will import that file. The file is located in the TIF editor. Forms to page type mapping. Click open and click OK to import. Now system is ready to transform the forms into pages. Now click on get forms. If you have any customized forms, then insert that forms here and define the form type and page type mapping here. For example, for our sales order test, the form is the card type and the page will be the card type. And now next, create the transformation input. Click OK to save. Next we need to save the next input to the transformation tool, that is the forms.xml. So select the two forms and export them in the XML format, because transformation tool accepts the XML format only. Now click on the transformation tool.exe file that will generate a page.xml file which can further be imported into Navision to create the pages similar to the forms. After importing the pages.xml, check for any compilation errors. Now our pages are ready. We can use the upgrade all version tool in Navision to start the upgrade process. This tool will modify the Navision data to make it compatible with the upper version. Once done, we can use the delete object button to delete the forms and Dataport objects. But here we will be doing this manually, so I'll just go on forms and select all and delete those forms. Here I have deleted the forms manually. So let's start the next process now. Delete all the Dataport objects here. We can convert the Dataport into XML ports. It is very simple to create an XML port using a Dataport, because the Dataport mapping is very similar to XML ports. As you know that reports also have the form objects integrated with them, so we can also convert the request forms to a request page using the transformation tool. So for doing that, export the report object as forms.xml and run the tool, that is the transformation tool that we have, and all the request forms will be converted into request pages for the report. because the forms will not be supported by 2013 version. So during the upgrade process, these forms and all the references in the report will be changed to the pages. The process will be similar for converting the forms into the reports. And import the pages.xml file, that is the report import now. Now you can see that the forms is converted to the pages. So at this stage we have both the forms request page and request page for the report. Now our database is ready to be converted to 2013 version. The process of 2009 upgrade to 2016 will have 2013 as an intermediate version. So we have to upgrade this database, that is the 2009 database, to 2013 first. So next I'll open the 2013 version and import the partner license as we did for 2009 version. Delete the forms and data ports if remaining and close the 2009 version now. And next open the 2013 version. Before doing it on 2013 version, we can check for any form references in the table objects, in the report objects, XML code unit or page objects. We have to remove any form references, that is forms.run model or forms.run from the cal coding, because this will not be supported in the 2013 version. So export the table objects first in a text file format. And open the text file, that is the table underscore text that we just saved, and check for any form references here. If we find any form references, then we need to replace this form references in the page references. For example, I'll find the form.run. Here I find that form.run model is used here, so I have to replace this into pages.run model because this will be supported in 2013 version. Similarly, any form references needs to be converted to the page references very carefully, like form 1, form 2 or form 5, that is here, form 4. So replace this with the page. Forms.run is to be replaced with the page.run and replace all. Now these objects can be imported directly in the Navision 2009 version. Once done, we can compile this for any compilation errors. For doing that, we can directly use the build server application objects. Now this is our 2013 version, so our database in 2009 version, we can open it after importing the partner license in 2013 version. We can directly open the database, that is 2009 version database. Can click OK. System will give the warning that this database will be converted to the 2013 version using the collation, that is matching with the Windows collation. When we click OK, system will again confirm, and when we click the next OK, then system will start converting the database to make it compatible with the 2013 version. Now our database is converted in the 2013 version, as you can see here. Next, we need to build the server application objects for checking any compilation errors. There are no errors If there are any compilation errors, then you can fix this error using any comparison tool. Now next is to check for any code that has been changed in the upper version of the database. For example, the dimension concepts is changed in Navision 2013 version. We can check any new codes in the standard version. So this is the standard version that we have installed. Now when we go to the sales header, we can see that a new field, that is the dimension set ID, is used here. So we have to merge this dimension set ID to our 2009 database that is just converted to 2013 version. So we can export this object, that is the sales header object, in a FOP file and import it directly and merge it using the merging tool that comes with Navision into the 2013 version. So let's open the 2013 version of our upgraded version and locate the file that we just saved, that is the sales header FOP file, and import it directly. Click no here, and instead of replace we can use merge existing new, so that the file, that is the dimension set ID field, will be merged in the new table. Now you can see here that dimension set ID is merged into this table. Similarly, we can merge all the tables, we can merge all the codes using any comparison tool that we use. For example, winmerge.exe. For comparing any cal objects, we need to save these objects in the text file and compare the objects for any code comparison that has been changed in the upper version. So I save these files with name new and old, and I just go and compare these files for any code change. If I found any code change, then I'll merge this file. I can compare it from using any comparison tool, that is the text comparison tool. Now the database is fully converted to 2013 version. In my next video, we will see the migration of 2013 version to 2016 version. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, please visit www.paraguide.com.